Here's the dot.
How are you? You're looking so...
I'm still alive.
You're still kicking, huh?
COVID didn't get me.
You're very strong. You're very strong in COVID.
Yeah.
So,
There's a problem with, I don't know, with the carburetor or something.
why?
That when okay, like let's say we drive, go home, leave the car, next day, turn it,
Try to start.
like as if the gas was coming from there. Like there's nothing in the tray. But there,
Oh, yeah.
that's the problem right here. Huh? Is that what brings the air in?
No, the problem is the plunger for
Yeah.
the starting.
Yeah.
So it's supposed to when you push the pedal,
It
it's
goes
supposed
up.
to, the fuel must be injected to the.
It's
to the-
that's for the fuel.
That's for the starting. Because the spring and the lock is missing.
I know the top is missing.
Yeah.
Something on top. I found the washer,
But the spring is not there.
but the spring is no good.
The spring.
But you know, once we drive,
Yes.
we start the car, no problem.
Because it's already hit and the fuel is
Because it's warm, and there's still gas in the little tray.
If the plunger is not working, probably in the morning
It doesn't bring the. Is that a big problem to fix?
Only
It's
to
already
start.
fixed. You already fixed it.
Oh, you fixed it?
Yeah.
And then you have to do your expertise.
Adjusting.
Asa diri David ya? Ya. Tungayo.
Oh,
Tunga.
doon lang.